Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and today I got some Gears 4 news, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and I got some news about the Gears 4 and the features that's going to possibly come about with this smartwatch. There's been another patent filed by Samsung for the Gears 4, and it's been found out by Let's Go Digital, right? Now, if you look at the patent, it's showing the possibility of a battery being incorporated within the strap itself instead of the housing of the smartwatch itself. Now, my question to you is, do you think this is going to work? Because one, the watch strap is going to have to be thin, right? Two, the watch strap is going to have to be flexible in order to be able to wrap around the wrist in order for it to work. Not only the watch strap, but the battery within the watch strap. And three, what do you see so far as the design is concerned? Because I see the Gear S2, which I'm not a fond of. I like a more traditional watch, especially for dressing up and going out. Now, my question to you is, will this be a deal breaker if we get another version of the Gear S2? Now, with that being said, there's also talk of a sub-display, and with the rotating bezel, when you rotate it, you're going to be able to access certain information within the smartwatch. I don't know what that could be. We won't know until this watch actually gets produced, if it gets produced. So remember, take this with a grain of salt because this is only rumors and speculation at this time. So there's still talk about a camera being incorporated within the watch itself, right? So what could that be used for? Could it be used for video chat? Could it be used for security purpose? Because they're also talking about a fingerprint scanner being incorporated within the smartwatch too. And what security measures could a fingerprint be used for within a smartwatch? All right, you all, that's it for the info about the Gears 4. I'm very excited to see if such a smartwatch is going to come to life. With that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this particular patent and the possibility of such a smartwatch coming to life. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified of when I drop videos on this channel, make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. And with that, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.